Hello, and welcome to the 77th annual Smellathon. And now we have our first team, all the way from Akron, Ohio. Let's meet the first team over here, shall we?
My name is Harris, and this is my buddy Trace Uno. Well, we came on the show for one purpose, and that one purpose was to win.
Some bold words from this first team. Bougron Harris, do you have anything else to say?
I speak for my partner here. He doesn't talk much. He's pretty shy. You know. Thank you.
All right, and now to meet our second group. Let's meet the contestants.
Hi, my name is Hukasakalaka Dukasakawaka Shikadaka Sukasakawaka Sikasakalaka Mukasaka.
One eternity later.
Naka Laka Laka. But you can call me John.
So, what are you looking to gain from this fun, friendly competition?
Well, at first I wanted to experience a great bonding between me and my partner, but unfortunately my partner decided not to show up for some reason. I'll talk to him later, but hopefully I can still come out on top.
Now, let the games begin. Ready, set, go!
Look what we found here. According to my studies at the Akron University of Ohio, this vanilla extract is made of about 200 different chemical compounds, the most prominent one being vanillin. This vanilla extract smells great. I mean, I'm so happy we found this vanilla extract before our other competitors because it gives us the upper hand in this competition. So far, I don't know about the other team, but I think we're pulling away with a victory in this game.
The chemical formula of vanillin, which is the most prominent chemical in the smell of vanilla extract, is C8H8O3.
A lemon. The citric acid is the smell that we have. I don't know how my other team is doing. What? 1-1? Well, you know, it's good that I've tried them with this smell, and the lemon is very strong smell because there's citric acid inside of it, and the chemical formula of citric acid, I believe, is C6H8O7, which is a very acidic.
So this is a real exciting race. We've got two great teams competing. It's a real tight race. We won't know until the end who wins it.
Grab it! Grab it! Grab it! Grab it! Grab it! Yes! What have I got here?
This is a really nice find, you know? Smells really good. I don't know what to think of this, but this puts us over our contestant, I think. Ugh, this garlic smells bad. Partner, what do you think of the smell of this?
It smells like C12H21NO4S3.
Alright. Okay. That's what it smells like. The smell of this chocolate is coming from theobromine. And it just smells great. Partner, what do you think of the smell of this theobromine? You know it. This chocolate syrup is a theobromine that consists of a bitter alkaloid from the cacao plant. You know, it's on the tip of my tongue, but I can't remember the chemical formula.
You mean C7H8N4O2?
That's the one. Nice job, partner. Yeah, well,
Late in this here Smellathon, we seem to have one team running away with the lead. They now have a 3-1 lead. Never in the history of the National Smell Association has a team ever blown a 3-1 lead. We'll see if Bougron Harris and Trace Uno can hold on.
I'm not feeling very good about the news of a 3-1 deficit. You know, I'm pretty sure I'm losing because I had a slow start at the beginning, and also the absence of my teammate. I think it's really pushing me down, but I'm pretty sure if I stay in it with my heart, I'll be able to come out on top, you know. It's just a 3-1 lead. They need one more point, but if they don't get another point, you know who's going to win.
Oh, hey guys, it's Alex here. So it seems like I must have made a wrong turn or something because I can't see anybody anywhere. Let me check my phone to see if anyone's told me anything. Oh, I see. So what happened was, when my group told me to go to Philip's house, I saw go to Incline Village, Nevada. So now I'm kind of in the wrong state. Unfortunately, that means that I can't participate in the competition. But fortunately, studies show that air pressure and smell are related. So I can take this opportunity to tell you about air pressure. In Misty's class, we've learned about gas laws and how to calculate for different variables. For example, pressure and volume. But what is pressure? More specifically, what is air pressure? We learned that STP, or standard temperature and pressure, is 293.15 degrees Kelvin and 1 atmosphere of pressure. However, why isn't pressure the same everywhere? Why do we have this changing pressure variable? Have you ever been swimming and dove under the water? It's a little uncomfortable. Why is that? Well, it's because of the water pushing against your eardrums. The more water that is above you, the more water that is pushing down on you, which means more water pressure against your eardrums and more discomfort. It turns out that air, a fluid just like water, acts in a similar way. The Earth is surrounded by an ocean of air, and when you're at sea level, all of the air above you is pushing down on you. Imagine a column of air with a cross-section of 1 centimeter square and a height of 10,000 kilometers, the distance from sea level to the edge of the atmosphere. This column has a mass of about 1.3 kilograms, with the vast majority of the mass from 0 to 100 kilometers above sea level. Now, imagine going to a higher elevation. As we get higher in elevation, the column of air pushing down on us gets shorter. So this means that the weight of the air pushing down on us decreases. So this is why, as you go higher in elevation, air pressure goes down.
What's this? Is this a naturally growing bottle of cloves in a pot? Whew, that's strong, and I'm pretty sure that's cloves. I'm really happy with this find of cloves. You know, from what I know is the chemical formula for cloves is actually C7H12CIN3O2. So, you know, I always like to taste what I smelled. You know, I tasted the lemon earlier. Butyric acid. Oh, it smells horrible. It's a smell. I'm really happy to find this vomit, even though it kind of didn't really feel good, but at least I found it. What I know is vomit is made from butyric acid, and the chemical formula of butyric acid is actually C3H7COOH. I'm feeling really good about this one. My stomach isn't feeling really good, but I'm feeling really good.
Now this competition is coming down to the wire. Very little time left. It's a tie game. We'll see if John will be able to pull away with the comeback, or if Bougron Harris and Trace Uno will send him home as losers.
Wait a second. is. I know. Body odor. It stinks. Oh, that's bad.
The main contributors to the smell of underarm odor is 3-methyl-2-hexanoic acid, which has a goat-like scent, and 3-hydroxy-3-methylhexanoic acid, which has a cumin scent, and 3-methyl-3-sulfanihexane-1-ol, which has an onion scent. All three of these together make the stinky scent of underarm odor.
And now, to finally announce the winner of the 77th annual Smellathon, I'm your host, and this is the winner, John